From lifting the bat at age 6 to lifting the Under-19 World Cup for India, his journey has been truly inspiring. Today we're in conversation with the man often labelled as the crisis man of the team, Vihan Malhotra. Come, let's have a quick chat with him. Hello Vihan.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Firstly, congratulations on the big win.
Thank you.
How does it feel like to be back home at Chitkara University?
It's a great feeling. Everyone has welcomed me very well, and I'm very obliged to be here.
Okay, so Vihan, we all know that each big moment has a long and a beautiful journey behind it. So let's talk about your journey that has brought you here. You've always mentioned that you started to play cricket at just the age of 6. So my question to you is that when did you realize that? What was that moment when you realized that this is more than just a hobby? This is what I want to do.
For the first few years, I just played the game to enjoy it, and when I started enjoying it a lot, I thought I could make a career in it. And when I was the highest run getter in the Vijay Merchant Trophy, that was the time when I thought that I could make it.
Okay, so Vihan, for passion similar to yours, everyone has that one inspirational figure, that one mentor. So who is your mentor or inspiration on or off field?
Virat sir has always been my inspiration in this game. His fitness, his mentality and his game awareness, I've always been following him from a young age.
Okay, so I read that your parents have a very stable career. Your father's an engineer, your mother's a doctor, in accordance with the society. So what was their reaction to you telling them that I want to be a cricketer?
They always supported me from the young age. Always they were like, you should play if you like it, and the support was always there, and I'm pretty thankful to them for that.
Okay, amazing, Vihan. So let's talk about the famous tag, being the crisis man of the team. So it was in the match against Zimbabwe that you were labelled such. What was going on in your head? Was there any performance anxiety, pressure? What was it like?
Actually, I was playing at the two-down position, where in the middle order, every batsman has to provide that stability to the team. And in that match, it was very necessary for us to win, and with a big margin. So following those quick wickets in the earlier phase, after that I was just standing there, and I think the crisis man tag has been given me because of those 2-3 innings in the middle orders, giving the stability to the team.
Amazing, sounds amazing. So as you shared this experience, it feels very beautiful, but we all know that all that glitters is not gold. So what was that one moment in your journey which was like a tough challenge for you? Maybe selection rejection, maybe heartbreak, maybe self-doubt. What was that one toughest challenge for you?
In the career of being a cricketer, the self-doubt is always there, but according to me, being consistent and discipline was the toughest job, because that is what helped me to be here where I am.
Okay, great, Vihan. So I see so many young cricketers, aspiring cricketers wanting to be the next Vihan Malhotra. So what is that one piece of advice you'd want to give them?
The advice would be that always do your hard work, and always be true to yourself and the game. Then everything will land towards you.
Okay, so do you think that hard work is enough to land you in opportunities like yours? Because there are millions of people aspiring to be you. So is hard work enough, or is luck also a factor in between?
In cricket, nothing is enough. You have to do your hard work, you have to do your routines, and you don't know, after that also you won't get the result you need. But it's the discipline and the motivation to keep going again and again, and that is what I think is important.
Okay, by these advices, I'm sure that people will look up to you, or already are looking up to you as you look up to Virat Kohli. So now that you've been signed by RCB, do you have any question in your mind that when you look at Virat sir, maybe in the dressing room you'll meet him, what are the set of questions you've planned to ask him?
I have not planned any questions. I just very excited to be with him, to see how what are his routines, how he takes his game from a closer look. It is very exciting.
Okay, Vihan, so concluding this conversation, you started to play at the age of 6, and now at mere age of 19, you have lifted the World Cup for India. So is there any vision of yourself, any plan in your mind for the coming next 2 years?
Actually, the first goal for every player is the Under 19 World Cup, and of course, the main goal for every cricketer is to win the senior team World Cup, and I think that is the next motivation for me to be a part of the team that wins the World Cup for
Okay,
senior team.
I hope you achieve that, Vihan, and all the best for that. So, Vihan, I want to ask you, like, what were the final, like, last 5 minutes before you guys won the World Cup? What was the scenario like? What was going on in your mind or the team's mind?
At that time, it was an intense situation because the England team were pushing us hard. They were trying to achieve the score they had to, and the whole team they were a lot of gelling together. They were playing together, and the main motive was to win. And when the last catch that Khillan took, we all were waiting for the decision on the screen, and we all knew that it was out. So we were just ready to celebrate. And it was a great moment when it came out and we knew that we were world champions.
Thank you so much for this conversation, Vihan. It was great talking to you. We will see you again. And once again, congratulations on bringing the trophy home.
Thank you.